What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is, your boy JP, here to make your install life a little bit easier. And today we got a 2021 Ram 1500 Classic, and I'm going to show you how to take this radio out because we have to get behind it to troubleshoot a line output converter. So first thing you want to do is you want to come to the top and remove this rubber mat, and then you're going to see two Phillips head screws. You can either use a Phillips head bit or you can use a 7mm socket. So we're going to go ahead and take those two out real quick. And after we remove those, we just want to use a small amount of light pressure to pull the dash off because it is entirely held in by clips, and those are the only two screws that have to come out. Now, before we just go ahead and lay this thing down, I want to actually get me a rubber mat because I don't want to damage the screen. And then we actually see the radio part right behind it with 4 more 7mm or Phillips head screws. So we want to take those out, remove the radio, and then look behind there to see what type of line output converter the previous installer used. So here we see the 3 sets of RCAs, and he does have the pack AP4CH41 piece. I actually did a video on this one time before. I will link that in the description for you guys. So if you have a Dodge Ram, or if you're working on a Dodge Ram and you want to add some aftermarket amplifiers, this would be the line output converter that you would need to use. Other than that, that's about it for this video. It is a radio removal only. We're going to get into the troubleshooting a little bit later. If you guys found any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, or comment. I'd like to take this time to give a shout out to anybody who actually chooses to support the channel. Whether you get one of those fan subscriptions from JPtheinstallguy.com or Patreon, or you hit those links down there in the description, that goes a long way with me. So till next time, this is your boy JP signing out. Tell you keep going, keep growing, have a blessed day.